Right, Leon here, 904 Bravo Mike. So a guy just dropped a Moonraker, Avanti Moonraker 4. All he said was 5 elements. Got it from someone who did some kind of conversion. So they put 5 elements. So it might have been a 4 element converted to 5 elements, or 6 elements shortened to 5 elements, not sure. So all of these antennas work good when they were brand new. After years in the air, they deteriorate. One of the weak points in these is the gamma match. Water is getting to this plastic tubing inside the gamma barrel, and you can see that blue stuff, there's corrosion. So most of the time this is extremely hard to pull out. Sometimes a little heat in here could get this out, but most of the time it don't. Right. Avanti use normal mild, so after years and years, these totally rusted, corroded. The next gamma match. Unless when I take out this, then I will know what's going on inside here. Same thing, totally rusted. The hubs, after years and years, they crack. When they take it off, they crack off. So I have some work to do. These hubs intact. Not sure how strong they are. So we'll see. Alright. The work now start.